Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super cute and soft velvet scrunchie. These only take about 5 minutes or less to complete and they work so well in your hair. I have really thick hair and once I started using these, I have never gone back to regular hair ties. I am in love with how soft they are and I'm so excited to show you how to make your own. So let's get started. First, we're going to be using a 6.5mm crochet hook. Next, we're going to need some hair elastic ties. You can find these pretty much anywhere in Walmart, Dollar General, Target, wherever you shop, and they just look like this. We're also going to need some velvet yarn. This is the color I'll be using. It is blush color from Yarn Bee, and it is a weight 5. And lastly, we'll just need some scissors. To start, we're going to take the hair elastic and place it over the working yarn like so. Make sure you have a longer tail behind it because we are going to pull up a loop through the middle of the elastic. Then we'll take our crochet hook and place that through the loop. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through that loop. And then yarn over one more time and pull through that loop. This is going to attach it to our elastic. Now we are going to chain 2, so we're going to yarn over and pull through that loop that's on our hook, and then yarn over and pull through that loop. This is going to be our starting chain, and what we're going to do is place as many double crochets into our elastic as we can. So to do this, we're going to yarn over, insert into the elastic, pull up a loop, and then we'll have 3 loops on our hook. So we're going to yarn over and pull through 2. So we'll have 2 loops on our hook. So we're going to yarn over and pull through those 2. And this is going to be our first double crochet. I'll show you again. We're just going to yarn over, insert into our elastic, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook, so we're going to yarn over and pull through 2. 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. And now we're just going to continue this process over and over, trying to fit as many double crochets as we can into our elastic. So you can see here that I've put quite a few on my elastics, but so many more can fit, so we're going to grab one side and scrunch those double crochets together. This leaves us with a bunch more space that we can keep working into, and this creates that classic scrunchy look. Keep doing this until you can't scrunch the double crochets together anymore. Here I am getting towards the end where I just don't have much more room to add more double crochets, so I'm just going to place the last few in here and then I will show you how we finish this off. So here is the last bit. So what we're going to do is just go back to that starting chain, and into the top of that chain we're going to insert our hook. Make sure you have both of the loops from that chain on the hook. And then we're going to grab some yarn and pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, so we're going to take that first loop that we just made and pull that through the other one on our hook. And this is a slip stitch, and it's how we join everything and finish our project. So we're just going to cut that tail. Now pull that tail all the way through and tighten that knot. Now we'll have 2 tails, one from the starting chain and one from the ending, and we are just going to tie those together with a few knots. This is definitely solid enough so it won't come apart, and we won't have to weave in the tails, which makes this project just that much faster to complete. And once we are happy with that, we're going to cut the tails and then just adjust the scrunchie so that everything is all nice and evenly distributed. And there we have it. Here's our finished velvet scrunchie. Super cute, soft, and so easy to make. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more uploaded every Tuesday. Happy making, and I will catch you guys in the next one.